a local Indomaret, and we're gonna get some snacks. And I need like 5 waters. I need some coffee candy. Give me one. I need coffee candy. Oh my god, what? Oh, there's different ones. Okay, which is everybody's favorite place, Indomaret? I'm not shaking my hand. Oh wait, it's like banchabe. You want some banchabe? Get some banchabe.
Oh wait, see.
Matt's favorite. And then there's like silky pudding. And if we get some new ramen, we got the sweet cheese. We want to try that. And we're also gonna try take some UFO hot chicken. It's a lot of stuff. That's a freaking big soda. And I got some coffee just in case. I don't think we need anything else. But you know, everybody's favorite area. I love it here. It's only half the stuff. Bye-bye. Like, there's gummy blocks. Honey tea, and now we're having this green pandan bread. Like kelapam. The pandan bread, coconut, brown sugar center. Oh, look how cute the Mila is. It's so cute. The remember is cute. It's like a nice cozy home. Even this outside area is nice. I like that. And it's a tiny cute pool.
It's nice.
It's tiny but cute. It's just nice. And there's an upstairs. We'll go up there in a sec. It's a cute kitchen. Let's go up. Oh, it's nice and cool.
Whoa.
That's a cute bedroom.
That's a lot of towels.
It's nice and cute. Yeah, I actually really like it. It gives me such nice vibes, you know? I wonder where I'm gonna... This closet. Closet. Bathroom. That's pretty. Oh, and it connects nice. That's cool.
Wait, what?
It connects.
Well,
I'm gonna go in here.
I think it's a closet.
okay.
That's actually cute. Matt's claiming this room already.
No, really be this. Huh?
Okay, let's go to the last one. Here's the last room. It's pretty. Oh, and oh my gosh, it's an outdoor bathroom.
What's that?
That's so freaking cool.
You didn't have a monkey jump on you while you're.
Yeah. Cozy like area. Wait, that's a lot. It's a bit warm though. There's no AC, central AC kind of thing, but oh, it's so nice and warm. Okay, now do it again. Do it again. Lexi, the fridge, right?
Easy access.
Like, bruh. Okay, now this is nice. I gotta have some bread. We got bread. We got tuna bread at the Indomaret. Indomaret has everything. It's better than 7-Eleven. And Walmart. I got only bread. We got a lot of coffee candy. You can get so many coffee candies from here. Yeah, but we have a lot of this because I need energy for when I do school. So I'm gonna have that all the time. It's tuna corn.
Tuna corn?
Mm-hmm. We're here for 3 days, so.
Scared me.
Wait, what's the song recommendation for today, Lee? Yeah, not with or without. Let's go. It's so big! Ah! So it's kind of hot. I changed. It's kind of hot. The AC, it's like non-essential conditioning, so it's not that cold. Plus the Wi-Fi here is a little bit iffy, so hopefully school will be smooth. But you know, I'm gonna be here for 3 days. So, anyways, I literally am unpacking and repacking the things that I know I have. Just like going through them all, refolding them, stuffing it into bags again, figuring out everything. So, yes. And I've been listening to music. So, yes. And I already gave this a recommendation, right? What was it again? Oh, yes, with her right out. Good one. Probably all of the Post Eyes One solo members are like, personally, my personal opinion, I think the solo songs are better than the group songs. Like, I like Chaeyeon, Yuri, Yana, Eunbi, there's another. Hyewon, yes. I like all their songs a bit more than like Lesser Fame and IVE's songs. That's my personal opinion though, so. I'm gonna go pack again. Look how pretty the sunset is. After I took a nap before I shot the footage just with the sunset, now I am doing more work in history. What is it? I don't even remember what this is for a sec. Nationalism and westward expansion. U.S. history, am I right? Yeah, and I have mosquito bite. Then after this, I'm gonna eat. I can see my reflection in my glasses. Wow. Okay. Done with everything. I have sunburn, by the way. Can you see? You can obviously see, right? That's fun. Yeah, I feel it on my nose at least. You know, bullet things. Anyways, so I have Chinese class left, and then yeah. But first, I will go eat. Yes, that's what I'm planning on doing. I will go eat. Have UFO curry, Japanese curry noodles. So.
아닙니다. 정답. 네. 조주비입니다.
We're also watching Nana's new
아닙니다.
song, Young Boy Showcase. Yes, I don't stand them yet, but Edward does. So
군인.
I like him.
We like it about 10 days.
정답. 네.
You guys, this
보디빌더.
was-
It's an understatement to say it's raining a lot.
That's why if you ever see the jokes on the internet about people skipping birthday. Don't skip different
I
graphic
finished
calculators.
science and math, but shoot.
Wow.
So let's kind of see what's going on. Let me graph x minus 1 over x.
Milo sponsor me. I need this for school. Okay, now I'm in Chinese, my last class for today because my English teacher isn't here. So meanwhile, I am brain no have. Aiden, give me my brain back, please. I have no brain. It's literally just gone. What am I
So
from?
it might be making a sentence like at the first traffic light.
I don't think anything.
Or something.
And then I
far,
sleep.
we
So
got Tema,
at this point, good night, and I'll see you
understandable.
tomorrow. So.
Okay.
Bye. It smells spicy. We're gonna try this.
Spicy for me?
What's it called? Smacks and Taebak limited edition cheese ring. Chili pepper. Cheesy, spicy. Man, it's terrifying.
Ghost pepper. What even means?
Ooh, it's spicy, but like not pleasant spicy.
It's like spicy.
Yeah, it's not pleasant spicy. It's not like sambal. It's like
Ghost pepper spicy is.
I like
It's
the
like-
flavor of the cheese.
It's like
Very cheesy. Tastes like that.
One more.
it's like surround your mouth, make it swollen without having a flavor. Spicy.
Another?
Yeah, actually kind of good. I'm gonna take the second one as well.
It's good-ish. Look how bright these are. The watermelon is so good. It's so sweet. The other ones are less sweet. It's still very good. I don't know. I slept. So, I'm gonna try potato bee grilled kiwi chips because these are, I love grilled kiwi flavor. I like the full chips. It's so good. Got our nasi padang. It's like, what is it? Daun singkong? Daun singkong, egg, rendang, more. Okay, one chicken, fried chicken, bunch of sauces and sambal, and we're gonna have a mukbang. Let's go. Woo. Okay, we can use our hands as well, but let me start with the fork. Okay, let's start with the egg. Most simple, basic thing. A nice hard-boiled egg with sambal. What was this called? The place?
I'm not recording, by the way.
It's like a jerky chicken almost. It's very good. Probably rice, or even better.
I'll search it.
Okay, now
We also have a
there's
padang.
also rice and curry. There's a daun singkong. I think it would taste better with like spices because this one doesn't have much spice.
What?
So, the daun singkong. So I'm gonna put it with the sambal. It's so good. Now I don't know what this one is. It's like egg and it's like almost like egg, peppers. Only the back one. It's like fit with like either fish or like shrimp. That one's really good. It tastes like a fish back one. Like a seafood one. I'm gonna try the naan. Okay.
No, I have an idea.
It's a bit what's it called? It's a bit tough, but the flavor's really good.
That's not right. That's just not right.
I'm just gonna eat the whole thing.
생일 축하합니다. 생일 축하합니다. 사랑하는 루아이 생일 축하합니다.
I am doing this still. I just put the song recommendation for The Edge and it was Wave. So I shall say another song recommendation, which is because Apex, I love them to death, but they had to put the ASC as we're in Bali and I have to learn the dance of Saranga, Him to Love, as we're here and not post it, but like submit it while we're in Ubud in like 3 days. So the song recommendation today for them is gonna be Saranga, Him to Love, because I love them to death. I'm back after a nap and I got pretty. Hi. I finished editing The Edge for the first video and now we're gonna start learning Saranga. I have it over here, so we have to learn like 30 seconds of the whole song. So I learned part of Saranga, right? I also have coffee candy because, you know, late night school. So pretty much, I can't get into my stupid school. Okay, I tried getting in, the internet didn't work. And then I tried getting in, I got into the internet, and then I can't get into my account. it said fail, 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 and then I changed it to my account and nothing loads. It's just blank. Blank. Like Joyuri's song blank, blank. So I'm able to dance this haranga, but not do homework. Is this because of the toke that came before? You're an Apex stand, but not a school stand. Okay, bye. I'm getting in. 16 minutes late. The election at Andrew Jackson. I'm getting in. Please let this work. Let's leave you there. Nothing's coming yet. Oh, thank God it's disconnecting. They didn't even start yet. They didn't even start yet. I was 16 minutes late and they didn't start yet. They just got to the Today in History.
The reason he went to Panama was to investigate.
So it's a school website that's down, so we're just gonna vibe and edit. Yay. Yay. And yeah. It didn't came on PM not long ago, so at least I wasn't alone during school. Okay. See you. Will I come back? I don't know. So if I don't, good night. And I'll be back tomorrow morning. I'll probably, because we're going to the bvlgari restaurant, so I'll make that into one video and then just continue on from this place. Good morning. Gotta have these before we go. Maxi corn nacho cheese. They're so cheesy. Like, they're cheesier than any other cheese flavored chip. Like, even Doritos. It's so much cheesier. But it's so good. We are going to the bvlgari like villa so we can eat. So be back and you're gonna see that in a separate video, so I'll be back when I'm done with that. So they're fat. Oh! Don't leave me. Oh my goodness.
Oh, ini datang dia.
Eee!
Datang dia.
Say cheese. Hey! Hey! They can't see us, it's too dark. Hey, bestie.
Iya, madam dress. Di sana ada.
Oh, bye-bye. There's a cat.
Yeah, where's the cat?
Right there.
Where's the cat? Oh. Oh, it's cute. Though.
Hey.
Oh, you're ugly.
Dude, it's vibing.
Pak, bentar, Pak.
Oh my god.
Ada emasnya dikasih kacang.
Ah, it's vibing. After another nap, I am back doing schoolwork about Jackson's presidency, Andrew Jackson's presidency. And the other ones are playing in the pool, and I'm just gonna do this. And then I have math to do, because I haven't been doing math all week, because it was like not showing up, so. And then, yeah, it's 5:25 p.m. Okay. There's nothing really else I'm gonna do today though, so I'll be popping back in and out. Pinker in person, but look how pretty this. The sunsets are always so pretty here. When it's not raining at least, but it also looks like it's about to rain again. But I mean, lately it's been raining because, you know, December-ish, like November, December, etc. Like that group of months before the summer is like a bunch of monsoon season. That didn't make any correct English sense, but you know what I mean. It's pretty nonetheless. Bye. Banana bread. Very dense. Teddy banana. Oh, another one! That's huge! It's like a monkey. There's three. Where's the other one? It was huge. I lost him. Look at it, toge. It's eating. It's eating the bugs over here. Oh, it's leaving.
Whoa.
It doesn't like you, Alexis. Another one. And another one.
It's hiding.
And another one.
Wait, how'd you know? You heard it?
No, because it's exactly what it looks like.
No, because I told you guys there's a vehicle up here, and then you guys looked down here and you found the other one.
Never have I ever been in a waiting room for my school website. I just learned more of him to love. Wow, that's tiring. I would say the ending part of the chorus is hard. Like, ne sarang, that part is hard. It's confusing, let's say that. Anyways, I'll have to post that. I have to record it tomorrow and send it in tomorrow. Okay.
It says don't go off your grass right next to it.
I'm anxious and
You
I'm
put that in the chat.
tired. I have 3 classes
Okay,
left.
so
I got
one person said it's below the skin. It didn't hit the
I
skin.
got math,
Right, it's
and then I got
Clean break, simple, and it
Chinese,
hasn't
and
broken
then
the
I got
skin.
English.
Okay. The other ones
Just
are
a
going
couple
to
hours to
look
go.
different. All right, we'll see some other.
Good morning. So I slept before Chinese class and then my phone died, so I didn't wake up. Now here I am, and I changed to this red jumpsuit, and then we're going to Ubud today. So it's the end of this video, and then we're gonna go to Ubud, and then that's gonna be the start of another chunk of episode, like a chunk like that. So that was our adventure at, what was it, Darling Ocean Villa. It's a very nice, it's like an Airbnb almost. It's pretty nice, but it's a lot of bugs. But overall, pretty good. So, I guess I'll see you on the way to Ubud.